Welcome to SharePlant Rentals. In this tutorial, we will be demonstrating how to set up your promotions in your Advertiser dashboard. From the home page, navigate to the dashboard. Once in your dashboard, select Promotions on the left and then select My Promotions from the drop-down menu. This is where all promotions are shown. This way you can view all past and present adverts. The paid promotion occurs when a user clicks on the promotion. There is a cost per click in which the advertiser pays SharePlant. The balance isn't taken out of the advertiser's wallet instantly. This is done once a day. We stop users from clicking and charging the advertiser a big sum in a short period of time. The advertiser will be charged once on the first initial click and then cannot be charged again until 1 hour after, even if the user clicks on the promotion again before the hour's up. This is where all promotions are shown. This way you can view all past and present adverts. Fill in the details to set up your promotion. The identifier is the name you would like your promotion to be. The URL should be a link to your website so that when a user clicks on the promotion, it takes them to the correct place. Please set your budget. In the location field, select Paid Promotion, then choose if you would like the left or the right. Continue to fill in the duration, dates and times. Click Save and continue to the next tab. Fill in your promotion name. And then add an image. Go back to My Promotions and you will see that your promotion has not yet been approved by admin. Please wait for approval. I will now show you how your advert looks on the website. Here you can see the advert displayed on the home page on the left-hand side. If the user then clicks on your advert, they will be taken to the URL you have entered. You have now completed your promotion management setup. For more guidance and next steps, please visit our website or YouTube channel.